Hey guys, you want to check out this Looney Tune trailer? Well, we're going to start right now.
Looney Bin!
Woo! Hey guys, if you're a regular viewer, thank you for watching our videos. And if you are new to my channel, I'm Mark with the Art of RVing, and I want you to click on that red subscribe button right over there, and you are going to get some fun and interesting RV videos on a regular basis. So with that out of the way, let's check out this custom one-of-a-kind Looney Tune RV camper.
It starts off with the Looney Bin.
The Looney
It's a Looney Bin. And do the eyeball special because it's a bunch of crazy people staying in here all the time, and then we got the crazy man trying to escape. If y'all figure out who it is, Sylvester the cat maybe.
Huh?
You got, I don't know if you know who that is, Speedy Gonzales.
Of course.
And you got the cat, looks like he's fixing to jump on Speedy Gonzales, and Speedy Gonzales kind of freaking out. Rolling around, of course, Betty Boop just kind of fits. Can't keep Betty Boop out of nothing. Bugs Bunny, all the Looney Tune characters are on here. The Roadrunner, of course the Coyote, can't leave him out. You got the faithful Taz, can't live without him. And I had to get something because I can't see behind the thing very well, so I put a picture of my wife up here with her attitude. It says back off, and that's what she tells me all the time, just back off. To put the guy on the motorcycle again, it's hard to find one with paper the pew on the motorcycle, but that's what we normally haul in here. It's a motorcycle or a razor. You can put the Harley inside because it is a toy hauler. Now, do you dare? Come on, let's see what we got. All right, now here we go. Open it up now. If you hadn't noticed yet, you can flip the screen here. And if you open this all the way up, which you can, and you probably can't see it, Sylvester the cat's head is sticking right through this window.
Nice.
And it shows perfect when you don't have the awning up.
Nice.
All right, now, as you walk in, you'll see a couple of different things. This thing is designed perfect for all your hobbies. Fishing poles, rod and reel. Already baited, you grab one, you run, go fish. This right here, old man walking cane. Never thought I'd use this, but up in the mountains in Machu Picchu, you need one of these to survive. Now, pop that back in, here you go. Attitude boy right here. Got the Taz and Happy Bugs, you don't see that, and of course the Looney Tune characters here. All right, now let's check out the bathroom. Now, okay, now inside the bathroom, it's a little confined, but not as bad as the bathroom in an airplane. You got room to move. Okay, over here you got a full shower, stand-up shower. This here is just storage bins we put in here. They're actually custom bought, or not custom made, but we had to look real hard to make sure they fit. That way they don't move around when we're hauling them. You can stack them 4 high. This is just extra towels that we just threw in there for now. Over here, of course, you got your medicine cabinet, lights, full sink, everything works. Toilet, everything works. Of course, you got your floor mat. Got to have the Looney Tune somewhere in here. And then we got another one right over here on the side. I don't know if you can get to or not. Just something to refresh you where you're at and what's going on around you. All kinds of craziness.
While you're in the bathroom.
Absolutely. You never want to forget, no matter where you're at, what you're doing, especially in the bathroom. All right, now we come out of the bathroom, walking into the master suite, bedroom, whatever you want, the condominium. Okay. Now off to my right, we've got a convection oven. Works perfect, got a timer on it, got grandkids, got frozen pizzas in the freezer. Throw them in there, set it on 10 minutes, and they come out great. Chicken nuggets, whatever. Don't forget Marvin the Martian. Television for the grandkids. You plug the movie into it, it works just great. Or you turn the antenna on and you can pick up local stations. Hot plate, just in case you want to cook outside. And we actually set this stuff outside on the counter, plug it in, all electric. You can cook breakfast or whatever you want to do. Refrigerator, first refrigerator was not bright enough. I needed something a little brighter, so I had to order a red one. And I had to decorate it myself with my favorite characters, of course. From Fathead, we'll plug them for a second. That's the stickers. I bought these. The other ones on the outside, I had to have made. Of course, on the inside, it's got food just like everything else. They make them. Down here in the bottom, you can open it if you like. Hot water heater. It's got the inverter, the converter, the pump. It's fully self-contained. Everything works on it. Over here, you got an extra battery in case somebody steals one off the front. Got another battery. You got your freshwater tanks right there in your inverter. Okay, down here on the bottom, something that most people don't see, I got a rug over it. This is how you haul your motorcycle. Very simple. Take a very simple deal like this. Take the carpet out. There you go. Pops in, slides forward. Pull your motorcycle up, strap it down, you're good to go. Haul it anywhere in the world, ride it all over the place. Pop it back out, throw it in the corner. Same thing with the razor. You pull your razor all the way up, you see the mark where it touches, and it touches on the back. Close it up, don't even have to tie it down. Okay, of course we got it. It has curtains. You got to have the curtains to match everything else. Little box right here to charge your phone. Cigarette deal on it. Got a little trucking lighter up, a fan up top here. In case it gets too hot, and air conditioner don't work unless you got the power hooked up to it. But this works off the battery. Keep it cool. Beds, custom-made cushions, so they're soft. They're firm, but they're soft. You can't buy these. These are made. I had to get them made the same color. Over on this side, sleeping bags. Just tied up there so they don't fall. Got one on that side. Got a couple of spares on the back here in case somebody else stays. No place for them to sleep. We'll get to that later. Now, if you're not sleeping, or you're hauling it around, you actually flip these up. Nice strap right here. Got two straps. I'm only going to do one. Straps right there, and these fold down. Then put your AR-15 right here. It's your gun holder. Just in case you need it. You never know you're going to a bike rally. Right, the TV up here doesn't have a good speaker to it. So you take these speakers, which this one plugs in and Bluetooth to this one. You set it back here beside you. You got stereo, surround sound. Just that easy. Now, up under here we use for storage. We put our canopy or our table up there, and we put our guest quarters down there. That's the little pop-up tent that sleeps forward. People come out here and say, oh, this is cool, we want to stay with y'all. Well, like, if you're going to stay, there's a tent in there. All you got to do is set it up, and for some reason, they don't stay very long. And we got little tables here. This here just set stuff on. And we usually one on that side too. But you just put your stuff there. You can reach up there. Got a switch here. Got battery lights, and also the AC lights. We leave the battery lights on at night and turn them off immediately. And other than the characters on the wall, more characters, of course. That way you don't forget when you wake up you're sitting beside a skunk or some other character over on this side, which I got it folded up right now. And guys, that is the end of the Looney Tune. Now, you think that's the end, but actually it's just the beginning. We're going to walk back outside here in a minute and show you how this thing works. This thing is a major storage compartment, but I'll show you that in just a second. All right, now we're on the outside of the other end, if that makes any sense, but that's where we're at. All you do, of course, I've already unlocked the locks. If we keep it locked, don't want nobody folding it down while we're in there sleeping. Hang the lock on one side. On the other one. One-man operation, grab a hold, pull it down. Of course, you're going to let some of your cold air out, but it's worth it just for the convenience. Fold this over. Motorcycle goes in, razor goes in, your fan goes in, your ice chest goes in, everything on wheels goes in, and also, you don't want to forget your favorite wiener dog. It just goes in, aired up and everything. You just toss it inside and load it up, shut it up and go. Now, simple part, like I said, it's so light. Got cables on it to help it. Of course, you don't want the rocks on it. One hand. Up. Loaded up. You're on your way to your favorite beach, town, rally, whatever it is, campsite. Perfect for camping, perfect for anything you want it for.
It's awesome.
Tommy. Like its whole total weight, 5,200 pounds, completely loaded. Pull it behind almost any vehicle.
That's great. Tommy, you're awesome. We appreciate you, brother.
Not a problem, brother. We're fixing to go out on the lake. Maybe we'll see you there.
All right. Hey, I want you to hit that red subscription button right there, and I will be delivering some very unique and interesting RV videos on a regular basis. That's for sure. Leave some comments below. I'd like to hear some of the most unique trailers that you've ever seen. And I appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time.